What's up, guys? Welcome to our channel, Us Evolving. Look where we at today. So guess what we about to do? We about to catch a whitewater raft down this river. We are north, about an hour and a half of Phuket area. This is more countryside, this side of Thailand. And we're going to show you what it looked like on these rapids here shortly.
And then 9 kilometers is 1,000. So I think we're on level 5. We're going up to level 4. It's 31. It's around not bad compared to what we paid. So nice, y'all.
Không có nấu. Thank you. Lượt này bắt. Đông rồi, đông. Hả? Waterfall! Waterfall! Are you enjoying, sir?
Yes, I enjoy.
Enjoy. Sorry, please. Now you enjoy. You go by camp. You don't forget some tip for me and my.
For sure.
Thank you very
Ali,
much.
thank you. Have fun, baby?
Yes, that was really fun. I like that last part. You have fun, baby?
Rồi.
We made it, so we went 7 kilometers. Look at this. She fell all over the boat. Yeah, we couldn't record a lot of this because got a little treacherous over there. But 7 kilometers, check back in a second. Oh, sorry. What's this? This is soup. All right, we got a Thai lunch. We got white rice. This look like a egg, fried chicken, fried green beans. Nice little tofu soup. Some fresh watermelon, avocado. Look like some cabbage. We about to go on a hike to a waterfall after this. Yeah, that's good. Always carry cash with you.
Yeah.
In Thailand. Gotcha.
Me some of the best fried chicken. Thank you, baby. You ready for this hike?
Off to the waterfall we go.
Hey, y'all.
The adventurous couple we are.
Today's been so fun.
Yeah, so we are in the northern part. Huh?
Oh, and they said we could swim in this waterfall, y'all. So
Oh, yeah,
I'm
we
super
about to
excited.
swim. Look. So yeah, we walking to the waterfall. I don't know how far it is. Yeah, but this is peaceful. This is the northern part of Phuket, so it's more countryside, less beaches up here. So we haven't visited this side yet. We're actually going on a bike ride on Saturday into the villages up here. If y'all want to check that out too. But we'll check in once we get to this waterfall. What you got to say, buddy?
That's it.
That's it. Beautiful out there.
It's nice out here. The Mary Fox Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay, baby, go at the waterfall.
Oh, we are?
Yeah, I'm just kidding. No, it's so beautiful.
Coming up on this waterfall from here. Huh? Yeah. Oh, this is beautiful. This is so tranquil and peaceful. So clean and refreshing smelling, baby.
Damn, that's a big ass snake. Damn, baby, hold on. I'm gonna get some National Geographic with this snake. It was all white. What the hell was that? That was probably some big poisonous ass snake. Okay, baby, I'm not going any further. Hell no.
Steve Irwin, you got water dripping on you. Baby, it's a snake. Yeah, so here they ride the elephants. It looks like they chain them too. Little unethical practices.
That's so sad. You can see
It's
like
sad they
literally
seem so miserable,
back on.
but you know that's something they do to make money out here. It's so unfortunate.
Smoking and shit.
Hey, y'all see how fucked up this is, right? Don't do this when y'all visit these places.
That's crazy. He had time.
And that's a wrap, y'all. This is us evolving. Please like, comment,
Subscribe.
like,
comment,
subscribe, whatever order you
all
want
of it.
to.
We need all of it.
We appreciate y'all.